Matthew Miller, an immunology professor at McMaster University, welcomes a gradual easing of restrictions as cases across the province remain steady, even following the Thanksgiving holiday.
Countries and jurisdictions can get themselves into trouble is when they sort of, release all the brakes too quickly.
Like in the United Kingdom, he says, where the Delta Plus variant is spreading after the country lifted mask mandates in most settings, and there's no vaccine passport.
One of the things that's really de-risked this in the Ontario context is the requirement for vaccine verification. And that's distinctly different from some of the other jurisdictions.
The Ford government says they'll be monitoring key indicators of cases and hospitalization rates before further easing restrictions, like getting rid of the passports as early as January 17th.
Ultimately, our plan indicates a very slow, cautious, incremental going back to a situation that we had before, but the masking, of course, is going to continue. This is going to go well into next spring. And of course, we're going to analyze the key indicators at every step along the way.
The province has also said they've no interest in going back into an Ontario-wide lockdown. But Miller says they'll need to react to those key indicators quicker than last holiday season if they want to avoid more restrictions in the long term.
We were in a situation where we had been seeing really worrisome trends in increasing case numbers since September, and then didn't really react until, essentially Boxing Day with increases in restrictions.
The McMaster professor says it would actually be more helpful to people and to businesses if the government told them what key indicators they're looking at before moving into that next stage of lifted restrictions, more so than looking at those specific dates, which the government has already admitted could change.